Good morning, everyone. Today we shall learn about how to write a diary. One of the most famous modern diaries, widely read and translated, is the posthumously published The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank. Have you all heard of this famous book? She wrote it while in hiding during the German occupation of Amsterdam in 1940s. The book was an adaptation made out of a teenage deceased girl's diary that was later published by her only surviving family member, her father. Otto Frank edited his daughter's diary and arranged for its publication after the war. Many edits were made before the diary was published in other countries. But why did she write a diary entry in the first place? In fact, why does anyone write a diary at all? Well, the answer is simple: to express oneself. Let us learn more about diary entry in this video. I am Santosh Kiran. I welcome you all to my channel, The Grammar World. A diary entry is a section of writing that has been organized by date. The entries within your diary are how you organize the thoughts, feelings, and opinions you are pouring into it. A diary is a way of keeping track of your memories, but it has other benefits as well. Diaries are good for your creativity and mental health. They can also help you become a better writer. To make diary entry a part of your daily life, focus on getting in the habit of writing and being creative. A good and effective diary entry should include some of the following points in its format. First, it contains the place, the date, the day, and even the time of writing. For example, Agra, 20th July 2019, Friday, 8 pm. A suitable descriptive expression as heading of the entry you are putting on. Third, the detailed comprehensive body of the diary entry, which includes the expression. Second, the main body, and third will be the conclusion. You can freely express your viewpoints and feelings. A diary should be written in the first person and not in the second or third. A diary doesn't need to be formal, it can be written in an informal style. Then last comes signature of the writer to give it much need authenticity. If given in an examination, make your diary entry experimental. That is, write as if you have really been a part of the situation set in the question, and what you are writing in your own experience, your own point of view, and your very own feelings. What is the format for diary entry? A diary entry should be written in a layout. Inside the layout, on the top left side, date, day, time should be mentioned. Next comes salutation. Salutation of writing Dear Diary is optional. Next is followed by body. Body is split into 3 paragraphs. The first becomes introductory paragraph where an expression is written relevant to the diary what we are entering. It is followed by the main body, the main content of writing a diary. Third paragraph becomes a conclusion. What we have learned from that incident or from our experience. Finally, the diary is enclosed by writing your name or writer's name. If suppose the writer's name is not mentioned in the examination, then we have to write XYZ. Let us learn marks indicators for diary entry. First, inside the layout, heading should be mentioned. Diary in capital letters that carry 1 mark. On the top left corner, date, day, and time should be mentioned, which carry 1 mark. It is followed by salutation, Dear Diary, which is optional. Then the body is followed, which include 3 paragraphs. First paragraph is introductory paragraph with a good relevant expression should be written, which carries 1 mark. It is followed by main body and conclusion with proper sentence structure, sequential order sentences, and punctuation should be included, which carries 1 mark. The last subscription follows, which carry 1 mark. On the whole, diary entry includes 5 marks with the layout. Let us observe the sample question of diary entry. In the lesson Attitude is Altitude, you have read about Nick. Being a differently abled person, he was teased, bullied, and deeply depressed. One day he tried to kill himself. Now imagine yourself as Nick and write a diary entry of that day. First layout should be made. On the left top corner, June 21st, 2014, Saturday, 11 pm, date, day, time should be entered. Then comes salutation. Salutation, as it is optional, here it is not taken. Then comes the body. Body is divided into 3 paragraphs. First one is introductory paragraph. Here the sentence expression is given. Thank God I am still alive after what has happened today. Then it is followed by the main body, that is the content of the diary entry. Today at school, a group of 3 students teased and bullied me, so I was deeply depressed in the morning. Though I complained to the principal about their misdeeds, he didn't take any action against them. I am really irritated with my life. Though I can brush my own teeth with a wall-mounted brush and wash my own hair with pump action soap, there is so much that is impossible for me. I can't do my work, I can't play, I can't even eat as the other boys and girls can do. In deep depression, I wanted to end my life, though I tried to drown myself in the bath. Luckily, I was unsuccessful in my attempt. The last paragraph comes as a conclusion. I used to feel there is no purpose when one lacks purpose and strength, and it is hard to hold on. Now the God has given me a new life. I want to use this opportunity to set a goal and achieve it. I don't try to kill myself once again. Hence, the last paragraph should be concluded with a realization or a decision what we take depending upon the second paragraph. It should be concluded with a subscription. If the imagining name is given, we have to enter the imagination name. Here it is Nick. If it is not present, then we have to mention as XYZ. Let us observe second sample question. You are Rohan studying in 9th class. You went on a morning walk and saw a boy drowning in the water. You saved the boy. The crowd appreciated you. Write a diary entry for this incident. So layout is made. On the left top, date, day and time is mentioned. Salutation is optional, it is not taken here. What a lucky day, I saved a boy from drowning. It is the expression used as a first introductory paragraph. Second paragraph is the content about the diary, what the boy is writing. Last is a conclusion. Thank God, this was a good morning. And finally, it is ended with a subscription, Rohan. Here is the discourse indicators. Discourse specific, layout, design, illustrations all will carry 1 mark. Language specific, contextual relevance and coherence 2 marks. Proper structure sentence, well-formedness, brevity carries 1 mark. Conventions of writing, punctuation, spellings will carry 1 mark. On the whole total, 5 marks are given as the indicators for the discourse. A diary is a way of keeping track of your memories, but it has other benefits as well. Diaries are good for your creativity and mental health. They can also help you become a better writer. To make diary writing a part of your daily life, focus on getting in the habit of writing and being creative. Though people all over the world prefer to use blogs and other digital formats to write diary, However, the conventional style of writing in a paper diary is still a popular form of expression of one's thoughts and feelings. Both the young and the old love to write about their daily activities. Hope you might have understood how to write a diary and express your feelings, opinions, thoughts in the form of a perfect format. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel and leave your comment in the comment box. Thank you.